Hi guys, today we are going to upgrade the RAM of Acer Predator laptop. So currently I have Acer Predator Helios 300 laptop, and today I'm going to upgrade the RAM. So it comes with 8 GB of RAM out of the box, and I'm going to upgrade it with furthermore 8 GB RAM. So as I have checked, this laptop is compatible with this RAM, which is SK Hynix 8 GB RAM. I will share the description of this RAM in the description box. And today we are going to do unboxing of this RAM and upgrade it in my laptop. So before we start, what we have to do is we have to get this toolbox, which is very less expensive in the market. You can get it almost everywhere. So here we have to get this toolbox and the compatible RAM. So let's begin. So first of all, what I will do is I will put it upside down. Okay, and you see when you place the laptop upside down, you will see two compartments which you can access. Compartment number one is this. If you open this compartment, you will find the hard disk, both the HDD and the SDD hard disk. You can upgrade the hard disk from here. And the second compartment is this one, which if we open this compartment, we will get the access to the RAM section where we can upgrade the RAM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it and find out the compatible toolkit. So it is just one nut that you have to open. So I'll put it here, and then you have to very carefully open this. So compartment is open now. So I'll simply remove it. I will place it over here. Now if you see, I have two sections here. Section number one, in which my out of the box 8 GB RAM is already installed, and section number two is empty. As you can see, there are two clips, these two clips. Okay, so my section 2 is empty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. Okay, and I will place my newly RAM. Okay. So this is my RAM. Okay. So I will here. So this is my RAM. Okay, and what I have to do is I have to put it inside this clip. So before putting the RAM, what I have to do is you have to make sure that you have to remove all these stickers. So when the RAM comes out of the box directly from the company, it is installed, so they apply some stickers, which is fine. So I'll just put it here, and I will remove this sticker also. Sometimes when it is not mandatory for you to remove these stickers, but I follow this best practice whenever I upgrade my RAM or install new RAM. I remove these stickers. So I will put it over here. So now if you see, like this we have to install. So there are two sections. Section number 1 is this, section number 2 is this, and there is an intersection. We also have an intersection, so we have to simply put it like this. Okay, put it like this so that the gold section, the bronze section that you were seeing, that section is not getting displayed any longer. So just put it like this, and then what we have to do is we have to press it until you hear the sound of a click. So it is a sound of a click, and now my RAM is installed. Now what I will do is I will place the cover back. Simply put it like this and gently press it until you hear the sound of clicks from all the sections of this compartment. Then you take your screw and you tighten your screw in the compartment. So my RAM is installed. I will quickly boot my laptop to show you guys that the RAM is now upgraded to 8+8, which is 16 GB. So as you can see, I have two RAMs installed. RAM number 1 is this with 8 GB of memory, which is placed at position number 1. If you see position number 1. My second RAM is this, which I just installed. This is installed as position number 2 with 8 GB RAM. Both are SK Hynix RAM. Thanks for watching, guys.